Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A10. Today I'll show you how to disable and enable app drawer. As you can see, now app drawer is on. In order to disable it, tap and hold screen, tap on home screen settings and select first option. And now, to enable app drawer, choose first option, and to disable it, choose second option. Then apply. And as you can see, now app drawer is off. Let's do this again, but we'll enable it. And now it's on. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.